Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 3 Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset the settings on this watch. First thing we need to do is to turn off our watch, and you can turn it off by pressing and holding the control button to open the control menu. Once the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, select the power off option, and once you select it, press GPS. And the watch should turn off. Before we continue, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So what we need to do is to press and hold the control and the set button, or light and back button, together. Keep holding them until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. Once you see the Garmin logo, release the light button, but keep holding the back button until you see the pop-up on the screen. So let's do it. Press and hold both buttons. When you see the logo, release the light button, but keep holding the back button. And after some time, there should be a pop-up on the screen about the option to reset the settings. As you can see, reset default settings. Select the yes option by pressing the down button, then press the GPS to confirm, and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the reset is complete, and that's how you factory reset the settings on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.